Sheep and the Eagle. A short moral story. A young sheep often gazed at the sky, admiring the mighty eagle soaring high above. "How I wish I could fly like the eagle," the sheep sighed. "He is free and powerful, while I am stuck on the ground." One day, the eagle heard the sheep's words and flew down. "Why do you envy me?" the eagle asked. "You can see the world from above, while I only see the grass beneath my feet," the sheep replied. The eagle chuckled. "But you have your own blessings. You are safe in the meadow, have food in abundance, and your flock protects you. I, on the other hand, must hunt to survive and face fierce storms alone." The sheep realized the truth in the eagle's words. While the eagle had the gift of flight, it also had struggles the sheep never faced. From that day on, the sheep stopped comparing itself to others and learned to appreciate its own life. Moral: do not envy others, every life has its own challenges and blessings. Appreciate what you have. Thank you for watching.